Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ba'd. First, thank Allah about everything that He gives us, and secondly, may Allah gives Prophet Muhammad SAW peace and everything. Okay. So I started here to presenting a portfolio, my portfolio. So let's start. Okay, my name is Rakin Hassan, and you can contact me on email alhassan@rakin@gmail.com. Okay. This is about me. My name is Rakin Hassan. I am an undergraduate student at Politeknik IDN, Bogor. I am from majority of network engineering, and I'm interested to gain more knowledge and experience about network engineering and whatever that related to that. Okay, and this is about me. Okay, and second, skills. My skills. First, I have fundamental network that is very important thing that the network engineer need to learn it first. Okay. Second, I have a CCNA lesson from basic configuration until last lab. Okay. And secondly, I'm also a beginner of CCNP, and also I learned CCN EIGRP, routing EIGRP, and also routing SPF. And three, I have also MPCNA, and this is a certified. I'm also had certificate of MPCNA. Yes, this is from Microtik. Also, I learned about history of Microtik until the last lab, and the lab is tunnel. Okay, my experience. Also, as I told you, I like to gain more knowledge and experience. So this is my experience when I study at Politeknik IDN from semester 1. Okay, first, I'm a secretary of Student Executive Board, or also BEM. I'm a secretary until this time. Okay. My work is creating proposal and whatever that similar to document. Okay. Second, I was a visitor of Google development groups at Jakarta. Jakarta. This is space at Google Office Jakarta, Google Office Indonesia. And three, I also was a visitor of Politeknik Summit event at Jakarta in Jakarta also, especially at Hotel Bidakara, Jakarta. Okay. Four, I also was a visitor of Techin Asia. That's international regional event that is will be held in Asia. Okay, and the time the Techin Asia event is was held on Jakarta, also in Jakarta. Especially at Pacific Ritz-Carlton Hotel at Jakarta. Fifth, National Cybersecurity Event Visitor. I was a visitor of National Cybersecurity, and this is national, right? It's by national. And sixth, I also was a member. I am also member of TEFA, that so we study about Wi-Fi and network. 7, I was a member of Builder of Commit that was held on December on semester 1. And 8, I was also a member of IDN, IDN teaching commit. I also was a member of IT Camp Commit. Then I was a member of the Camp Commit, but this event isn't success. And 11, I was a trainer, IDN major trainer at Vocational High School, SMK Dewantara, Cibinong. I teach in that school MTSN lesson. 12, I was also a trainer of IDN major at Vocational High School SMK BPPI Belanda. And that time I teach students network fundamental lesson and also MTSN lesson. 13, I'm also a student of recording online course. This course is very rich of knowledge and also, but it's focused in programming, but there's also DevOps, development and engineering and operational. That's similar to my majority network engineering. And 14, I'm also a IDN online course student, also from IDN.in. And 15, I'm also a coding studio online course student, and I learned from it network fundamental lesson. And there are more lessons, but I don't study it yet. Maybe in the future I will study it. And 16, I'm also a Guna course online course student. And 17, I am also a freelance sales event, and I'm now a student from this online course. This course is managed by my brother, also by Mas Faisal and also Mas Bintang. Okay, and 18, I'm also a GDSC Widyatama member, but it's focused on programming and social development and software development, software engineering. And last, I was also a visitor of Democratic Day in Surabaya, especially at the Andhra Convention, Surabaya. Okay, that's my experience. Okay, now my certificates. First, I have a MTSN certificate from Democratic, from Democratic IDN. Yes. Second, I have a Cisco Dasar from ID Networkers. Third, I have belajar simulasi jaringan dengan Peanut Lab or network simulation with Peanut Lab by ID Networkers. Fourth, I have DevOps Fundamental by Decoding. Fifth, I have Network Fundamental by Coding Studio. Sixth, I have Network Simulation with Peanut Lab by Agni Course. Okay, and then my project. My project is writing a book named Semua Bisa MTSN. I named it with Indonesian because it contains with bahasa Indonesia, and this is a book about MTSN. It contains 183 page, and I'm working it for about a month and 15 days. And the last one is you can contact me, get in touch. You can contact me on LinkedIn. I have LinkedIn. You can do it. My name, Rakinul Hasan, and also on Facebook, Rakinul Hasan. From YouTube, you can watch my lab, my super lab, my project, and my vlogs. Okay, my English vlogs. Also, you can contact me on Twitter or X, from X, Hasandra, and also from Instagram, Hasandra. And the last one is my phone number or my WhatsApp number. 089630952487. Okay, that's from me. Thank you.
Okay. That is great presentation, and now we going to question and answer. Can you open the portfolio again?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, in the portfolio you not yet input about task from Padedi,
Oh yeah.
because that is important for experience of task, because this include the project and learning about IT and your achievement. But no problem, because when we thought about the new slide in the portfolio to adding the experience, the achievement about task from Padedi, tugas Padedi.
Yes.
There is 11, right? 11 or 12 or 13, 30, 20, 20, 20.
Maybe.
20. I think you must to finish the portfolio complete for you must to complete the portfolio for adding the task from Padedi. Okay.
Yeah.
And then can you show the CV? Okay, I want to give this is much point you must to edit your CV, because the main point in CV is about your skill and experience. But in your CV you make the experience is most in the big area.
Okay.
Because when hired or human resource looking the CV by personality, there is always looking the skill first. So we must to make the skills, make your skill is the main point with the big header in your CV. You can reduce the experience more thinker, but I like this design, but you must to edit a little for make the skills. You must to not expand, make detail like in your portfolio. You can see the portfolio again in your skill. Now the skills you must input the skills. Now you must input all of them in the experience area. But your experience is not too
Explain.
yes, just the title, it's enough, but your skill is must you make it detail. But no problem, maybe you must to edit in the future. Okay, and the third, I want you show your task from Padedi about the lab in your YouTube. Okay. Do you finish the task from Pada day, like task super lab?
Yes, I finished everything.
Okay, can you show the video? Okay. There is so much task from Pada day in about topology and labs, okay? Where the most topology you interesting and you finish it. The
I
best.
I'm interested in this lab.
Okay. Can you open the file?
Yes,
The file.
okay.
Can you explain about this topology?
Okay, in this topology we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 routers, or four routers and also one MLS, multi-level switch. And also we have 1, 2, 3, 4 switches and more and devices like a PC and also server. Okay, so and core at 3. router cores, we have routing protocol SPF, and here is SPF, okay, and here we have RIP, routing protocol RIP version 2. So we need to redistribute it from SPF to RIP, and also from RIP to SPF. Okay, and this is from router 2 we have from 3 routers, router 1, 2, IDN router 1, 2, 3. We connect it by serial cable or serial interface, and other is using fast Ethernet. Okay, IDN router 1 has two switch IDN switch 1 and also IDN switch 2. And IDN switch 1 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 servers, and this area is VLAN 11. Okay, VLAN 11, and second is IDN switch 2. We have two VLANs, VLAN 10 and also VLAN 20. Okay, IDN router 3 we have MLS, multi-level switch. It works like a switch usually. And at MLS we have two. We have two. We have two VLAN 60 here, and also VLAN 50 here and here. And also it works like a router also, because here is also MS, and it has VLAN 60 here and also VLAN 50 here. So router 4 has just one network switch, and the switch 4 is it has two server BT, server Kantor 1 and server Kantor 2. And last is also router 4 has two VLANs, VLAN 30 and VLAN 40, and also has two networks from VLAN 30 and VLAN 40.
Okay, what the goals from this topology is this lab?
The one goals surely is to make an device ping to other, can ping each other first, and another goal is using routing protocol in the core, routing protocol area backbone from SPF, and also to redistribute from routing protocol RIP and SPF backbone. And also from the slide, the goal is how the PC can access server without problems.
There is exist routing EGRP.
Routing there are also routing protocol EGRP here.
So how much network creep exists in this topology?
Network creep is 1, 2, 3. 3 networks.
In the area purple, area, there is routing protocol or not?
Here.
Is there all the network is advertised to us, right?
Yes.
Okay, and how if we okay. And in the MLS area there is advertised with AGRP or with
Advertise with ERP because this area is area of ERP. Reversion 2 is this area is here. Yes.
the PC with a green area and blue area, that is VLAN.
Yes.
What number VLAN?
VLAN 60 and 50.
60 and 50. Okay. There is a network in VLAN 60 and 50 is they are configured advertised in AGRP or not?
It advertised ERP.
Okay. How and what you must to do if I will VLAN 50 and 60 and not advertised with AGRP, but there is still connected to other client, other servers, but with NAT, and what you must to do?
Also, we use the posting ERP advertising, and yes, so this is a private area. So we must yes what's it? Firewall. That's it. Yes, firewall. That's it. NAT.
NAT.
We need to use NAT.
How?
From okay, from here.
What there is three type of the NAT we can use in the Cisco, and what is this?
NAT outside.
No, NAT example NAT dynamic NAT, static NAT, and NAT overload. And what you want to implementation in this topology?
Dynamic NAT is more easy. Is easier.
Dynamic NAT. Can you explain about dynamic NAT?
Okay. About dynamic NAT is we set dynamic NAT here. So whatever is dynamic. So the network is managed by protocol, not the network engineer. So the network is automatically managed by protocol. So we don't need to set NAT to here, and others with our servers. So we set the dynamic NAT outside network to public network, and the IP address will be translated to public IP.
How much IP public you need?
IP public this one.
No. Static NAT, dynamic NAT is similar, but the difference is static using static IP, but dynamic NAT in a pool IP. Example, if we have 5 private IP, we must have 5 IP public. Okay, but in this case you just have two network into interface from the router gateway, connecting to the left to OSPF area and connecting to right to AGRP. Okay, the router gateway is have to IP public. Okay, this is a problem because in this case we just have to IP public in condition is using to the other routers the neighbors from the router gateway. So I think the solution is not using the dynamic NAT. The solution must be we must using the NAT overload, because this NAT overload can using one IP public for all the IP private, right? Okay, but how you implementation with condition there is two VLAN 50 and 60, two VLAN or two network 50 and 60 with NAT overload.
NAT overload can set NAT overload here outside to public area. So VLAN 60 and 50 will, if VLAN 60 want to ping to VLAN 11, it will works through the MLS and here is using NAT overload. So when both through this router, this MLS, the private IP will be translated to public IP.
The router gateway is in the router or in MLS? The MLS is just switch or there is switch with layer 3?
Switch with layer 3.
And this is in this condition, this MLS is a router or a switch?
And in this condition also it's a switch and also router.
Okay, from where, what the IP gateway from network 60?
From network 60 get gateway is 61.
61.
Yes.
And when the IP 61 you input in the router or in MLS?
MLS. Not yes, MLS.
In MLS. So the router gateway is in MLS?
Yes.
Okay.
Because MLS also has IP from
Okay, how much, if we have two VLAN or two network, how much NAT overload you must input?
June.
Why?
Because NAT will translate private IP that scheduled state to net overload.
How much NAT overload configuration we need in this router gateway? In condition we have two VLAN.
We have to fill in. We need to yes. To net overload.
No, we just need
Just
one
need
NAT overload.
one configuration.
Why?
Because net overload is using just one IP public for many networks.
Okay, for many networks, one configuration NAT overload is can handle so many network in private net. Okay.
In private network.
Sometimes we confuse, is this NAT need so much NAT configuration for each VLAN or each network? The answer is not, because if we using NAT overload, we just need one configuration for NAT overload. Okay, that's enough, Rakel. So far so good. You do it good. Okay, you can closing.
Closing. Okay. So that's from me. I hope I will be priced in the future, so I can gain more knowledge, experience, and whatever. If that will give me more benefits. So that's from me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.